Hey there you guys, it's Jess back with another video, and for today's video we're actually going to be decorating somewhat my master bedroom. I have to clean down here too, so I don't know if it's going to be an all-in-one or not. It really depends on my energy and how well the girls do, but right now it's looking like it's just going to be the master bedroom. So if you haven't noticed, I also got a haircut. I have never cut my hair before. I was really excited to do it because I'm about to have 3 babies. 3 toddlers. Well, 3 babies. The oldest is 3. So my hair is honestly just not at the top of my list of things that I want to do every day, especially when I want to get on camera and just start filming. My makeup took literally 15 minutes, so I was like, yeah, you know, let's just chop it off. And honestly, it was exhilarating. Like I've never chopped off my hair. It broke off before when I was in college going through a phase where I really wanted to start wearing my curly hair after flat ironing it for like ever because I was told that that was beautiful. And I do like my hair straight. Like I do, but I like my hair healthy. You know what I mean? So anyways, I love my hair. I'm here for it. We're gonna be decorating / cleaning my master. There's not really much up there because I really wanted to keep it simple because this is prayerfully a temporary living situation. So yeah, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so you don't miss any of my uploads. And without further ado, let's get started.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, we're falling in love. Started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together, all the way on, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's through this part of the year we have something in store for us. Christmas time's got the best of me, then it starts to snow in our heart.